we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
You can recover deleted photos, videos, songs, contacts, messages, notes, and other files from Android phones and tablets after factory reset. After connecting your Android to the computer, now you should enable USB debugging. Select files you want to recover, and then press Recover to save them to your computer.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.